Hi, in this video I want to show you an app I have created for converting Excel tables into PDF file, and this is my website. I will leave a link on it in the description. To find the app I can type in search Excel to, and you can see Excel to PDF is here. I will click on page, double click on download to start downloading process, click on downloaded archive and double click on MSI. I click on more info, and I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, next install, and click on yes, and click on finish. And you can see shortcut has been created on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this. Now I can double click on shortcut to launch the app. And conversion is like 3 steps process. On first step I will select files I want to convert to PDF. I'll click to select input file and select some files. Like this one, states, messages, data, and click on open. You can see all files here. Then after all files selected, I'll click on next step. Here I can specify document size. Let's select A3. Flat is like when all tables from Excel will be placed as tables into PDF. Cards is more like every record from Excel will be like small table with all fields in it. It's like it's more for small amount of data. You can change it and see what it will do. Landscape is like if we have tables with large amount of columns, it's better to select landscape, so table will fit in there. Portrait, if we have less columns, we can use it. A3 is like 284 format. It's okay. So after all this selected, I'll click on next step, and here I just click on run conversion. It will ask me to specify name of the result file. Now this name is okay, I'll just click save. And you can see file has been created, and let's go and see file. So this is my file. I'll just double click on it to open it. And you can see all data into this file. So it will be, headers will be like name of the file and name of the data sheet, and then data. You can see all states here. And then next one is like from messages, Excel file with some messages data, test data I'm using. And this is from bank data, Excel file, it's like data sheets I'm using, so all data is here. And yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments, and thank you.